dear Sicily lovers, and welcome to Enna.
Ok, here we are. Aspetta che scendo. Waiting for me to go down the staircase, the ladle. Aspetta, dove ci mettiamo? Ci mettiamo qui.
Here, kiss it by the sun.
Siamo col sole in faccia. We have the sun in our eyes, but we are super happy, super excited. This is our first time. We can say, we can confess that this is our first time in Enna for a live broadcast, and so super excited because we promised some beautiful people to be here for a long time.
Yeah.
And finally, we had the chance to visit Enna.
Yeah.
So let's start from the very beginning.
Yes.
From the beautiful people that we love and who deserve to this feed, because we are talking about a beautiful person.
Yes.
Tom McLean, this is for you. This is dedicated to you. And so,
and all your family, of course. We know that there are also other people originate from Enna, and so this is
in particular,
your town.
in particular, we wanna make a beautiful thought to a couple of persons.
Jill?
Tom's sisters,
Yes.
Tom's sister and Tom's brother-in-law. So Jill and Victor,
yes.
They are spending a bad time right now because they had a car accident. So please, guys, if you are watching us, I mean all the Sicily lovers, please pray for them because they deserve our good vibes. And I'm pretty sure they will feel our vibes because the Sicily lover community is so powerful. And I'm pretty sure they will go out from this bad situation.
Yes.
In the meantime, we send you a big kiss.
And big hug.
From Enna, from Sicily. You can feel it right now. Our good vibes. And Tom, this is dedicated to you. This is your ancestral hometown, and we are super excited. Unfortunately, we didn't have any opportunity to be assisted by a local guide. She told us, okay, don't worry, I will be available tomorrow, but today she said, no, I can't be with you guys because I have another work situation, and so we had to go alone, but...
So forgive us because we didn't have the time to study so much about Enna, but we will try to do our best as normally we try to do, because we remind you that we are not guide, we own a tour company, so when you tour Sicily with us, we will provide you certified tourist local guide with a great knowledge, not like us.
And a very good English, a fluent English, a better English than us. So, but please
appreciate
this is
our effort.
This is our effort. So.
Oh, Tom is watching us.
Oh, ciao, Tom.
My sister and I are both adopted, but we both learned that we are both Sicilian.
This is the most important thing, Tom. Everybody knows that your DNA is 100% Sicilian. Also your sister. We knew that also your sister is from Sicily, so we are pretty sure she will appreciate this live broadcast. I'm making shed in Rosella, so it's better I turn the frame I switch on
And
Rossella.
so be ready, because this is the hometown of your great grandparents. So be ready. First of all, we have to say that Enna, your hometown, is amazing. Beautiful view, beautiful landscape. And now Gianca can show you some in particular, because from this point view, we are at the highest point in Enna right now. You can see a beautiful landscape. So we can start
let's start from the beginning.
Yes, from
Guys,
Enna.
we are on the top of the Pisa Tower, right, Rossella? This is the best preserved tower in the castle of Lombardia. That's one of the most important castles in Italy, not only in Sicily. Of course, we are in Enna, so we are in the top of Enna. Enna's got a feature, an important feature. Enna is a capital of province. I'm gonna switch so you can see behind me Enna. Enna has an important feature. It is the highest capital of province in Italy. So even if it's not a big town, it's a village. We are talking about 25,000 people living here in Enna, but it has this funny feature. So the highest capital of province in Italy. In Italy, we are not in Sicily, in Italy. So Enna's altitude
931.
I think it's even higher, because we are on the top of the tower, and now we are about 900 and almost 990 meters. It's about
Above the sea level, of course.
above the sea level, of course. We are in feet. It's about 2,700 feet. So it's a little bit cold. I have to confess that
More than
I
cold.
feel a little bit cold, but I'm so happy. And you can see behind me, you can see Enna, the village, the rest of the village. Now, Rossella and I, we will walk through the most important road in Enna to display you some beautiful locations. And in the meantime, I would like to take the advantage to show something. And Rossella said this is an important viewpoint, perhaps one of the best viewpoints in Italy, because we can see the entire island of Sicily from this tower, from this tower. Yeah, this is the tower of the castle.
That's why it's called the ombelico della Sicilia, no?
No, but Enna. It's
Enna, of
Enna, Enna è Uviddico da Sicilia. In Siciliano, in Sicilian, Uviddico da Sicilia means the belly button of Sicily, because we are in the perfect geometrical center of Sicily. So we are in the center, in the heart of Sicily, in the perfect geometrical center, and we can see the entire island. For example, I want to display you something. First of all, that is Calascibetta, a beautiful, nice village in front of Enna. So nice. Also on the top of a mountain, like Enna. Again, this is Enna. Behind Enna, now we have the sun, and so it's so difficult to see, to watch farther, to watch beyond Enna. But you have the Madonie mountain chains. So Gangi, for example, Castelbuono, Petralia. If you watch in the other side, oh, that's the beautiful view till the southeast of Sicily, till the east in this case, till the east.
And we have, that town is Leonforte.
Aspetta, mi metto qua. Sorry guys, I choose a better view. Okay. So, we have three towns. The first, you can see there, I'm not sure you're able to see. Okay. That is Leonforte. It's very, very popular for the peaches. Giusto?
Yes.
Le pesche. Then we have Agira. Oh,
It's your hometown.
Leeds Storm, ancestral hometown. And then we have Regalbuto. It's over there, the other white spot over there. I don't know if you are able to see these villages. And it's a pity now, but if you see right there, over the village, you can see the cloud. That is Mount Etna. Under the clouds, it's covered by the clouds. The highest volcano in Europe, Mount Etna. A montagna, o Mungibeddu. And if we go the other side, Rosella, I follow you.
Pergusa Lake, right, Gianca?
Yeah.
We can show.
So
we
that
can
is
see.
the southeast. If we were able to see, to watch over there, we could see Syracuse. But closer we have a village named Pergusa with a beautiful lake over there. They used to make also car races there. That is Valguarnera Caropepe, Carrapipi in Sicilian. Behind the pines, you can see a small village named Valguarnera Caropepe, Carrapipi.
And there is a beautiful legend behind the Pergusa Lake. Maybe later we can say this legend about the season, no?
Yeah. In the meantime, let me say hello to Anthony Ragusa. Where are you going, Rosella?
To check because you are blind. Everyone knows.
Okay, but everyone knows that I'm blind, but I have glasses now. So, Dan Geyer, Julia Rose, Sue Anderson, Sue, good morning. Then we have, sorry, because I have to start over again, Katie O'Brien, of course. Then we have Tam, Filippo Spallino. It's very difficult to learn to read all the names because the device starts over every time from the beginning, and so I can't read all the names. Anthony Sanfilippo, ciao Anthony. Gini McCluskey, ciao Gini. Lori Guadagnino, a lot of people. So let me say something, Rosella, about the lake, about the legend of Enna. Guys, this is a location full of legends, but the most important thing, the most important legend, of course, is the legend of Demetra e Persephone. The Greek names, the Greek goddess for the Roman names of Rosella, please help me because every time I forgot. Persephone was the daughter, and
Demetra.
Demetra, I said.
Was the mother.
The mother was Demetra, but in the Roman language it was.
I don't remember right now.
Cerere.
Cerere.
In Latin, Ceres. So they represent a beautiful, beautiful story regarding every one of us. Demetra is a sort of mother nature for the pagans. Demetra ruled the agriculture, ruled the seasons. She was the goddess of fertility. She had a beautiful daughter named Proserpina or Persephone, depends on the Greek or the Roman language, Latin language. Her daughter suddenly, she was so beautiful. Pluto or Ade, depends the language, the king of the hell, the king of the afterlife, fell in love with this beautiful girl and raped her and took her away from the earth. And her mother, Demeter, was completely
Desperate.
desperate, right, Rosella? She was desperate. She started crying. She started searching for her daughter for 9 days and 9 nights with a torch, and everybody was able to hear her cries. Also Jupiter, Zeus, the father of gods. The most important thing is that Demeter, who ruled the agriculture, who ruled the fertility on the earth, was desperate, and she said, "I don't want to work anymore for the earth." So the earth was in a mess, a complete disaster. Was dark. The sun didn't shine again, and so Jupiter said, I want to help you. I will bring your daughter back to you." But Pluto, who fell in love with her daughter, said, "No, I don't want it because she's mine.
She's too beautiful.
She's
so
too beautiful. I don't want to. I
her.
don't want to leave her." And they made a sort of agreement. Can I say?
Yeah. A compromise.
So, a compromise. And so Pluto said, "Okay, I can leave Persephone
With her mother.
I can free her just 6 months per year. So not not always, only half year, only 6 months." And so Persephone came back to the earth, and the sun shone again. The beautiful lights feed the nature again. But only for 6 months.
Yes.
Then she came back to the afterlife, and so on. So this is a legend, of course, but this is also a representation, a meaning of the seasons. So 6 months of light,
From April to September.
so spring and summer, and 6 months of darkness, of cold,
From October to March.
when the nature rests. And so this is just a very, very, very old, how do you say, story. But a lot of people, in particular the old habitants from Enna, were the Siculis. So we are talking about before the ancient Greeks. We are talking about 2,000 or 3,000 years before the Greek came to Sicily. They had this questo culto, this cult, this sort of pagan religion, because Enna is so ancient, really, really ancient. It's so ancient that they don't know, historians, scientists don't know the real name of Enna, where it comes from, because it's not a Latin or a Greek word. It comes from the ancient Indo-European language. So those people, the Siculis, or perhaps other native inhabitants who came from the Middle East, from India, they spoke a very strange, unknown language. And it's a language from the Indo-European area, and people still don't know. They don't know yet what does it mean, what it means. And so we can only say that it was an important strategic position, strategic location for many, many people, from the Greeks, to the Romans, to the Arabs, to the Normans. we didn't talk about the rock of Ceres, for example. In front of there, you can see is lightened by the sun right now. That is the rock of Ceres. This is the location where the pagans made sacrifices to Ceres, dedicated to Ceres, to Demetra, the mother of Proserpina, Persephone, and so it was an important location. And so this is, of course, now is a beautiful location. The castle of Enna, the castle of Lombardia, is a place to visit. But you have to figure out that in the Middle Age, or even before, it was an important military location. In particular, during the age of the Frederick II, the king of Swabian, the most important king we had in not only in Sicily, in Europe, the king of the sacred Roman Empire. It was his favorite location because he could control the entire island from this point, because we are in the exact geometrical center of Sicily. We didn't say something about the name after Enna. Enna, during the Arab domination.
For 900, no?
Enna had a different name. It was named Castro Giovanni. That's the name in Sicilian, but I just say it brings an Arab name who was converted in Latin, Castrum Iannes. That means the fortress of John, okay? And Castro Giovanni in Italian, Castro Giovanni in Sicilian, it was the name of Enna till
27.
27. It was, for example, the name of your ancestors, because they weren't born in Enna, they were born in Castro Giovanni, because it was the official name. It was Mussolini, during the fascism, Mussolini turned it again in the original name, Enna. So, Enna again from 1927. It got back the original name. Now, Rossella, I don't know.
I think it's time to go, because as you know, guys, Gianca every time blah 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 blah.
I had to study.
I'm with me. Look at me, guys. It's so cold here.
Guys, we were expecting to have a local guide. I want to be honest. The CDO said, "Don't worry, guys. Of course, you are not from Enna, and so we will help you. We're gonna assist you with an English-speaking local guide, so you don't have to do anything. You have just to take the camera and film everything."
And
today,
in 1 hour.
Today we were in Giarre. This morning we were making photos with our partner in Giarre, the fabulous Gigi, who is the owner of the jewelry in Giarre. We took some pictures at the new items, at the new necklaces, earrings. Rossella is dying now.
During the winter time, Enna is completely covered by snow, we have to say. So we decided to come now, because in 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Now we go down. Now we go down. So I was talking about my surprise when this morning at lunchtime. The CDO said, "Guys, we are sorry, we don't have any local guide for you, so we have to postpone this visit of Enna." And we said, "No, we already alerted all our followers, in particular Tom McLean, his sisters, and so we can't postpone nothing. We have to go. I'm sorry for you, we will go on our own." And so Gianca, during the time from Catania, from Giarre to Enna, it's about 1 hour driving in the highway. I was driving. Rosella was reading all the information about Enna. Something I remember, something I studied in my when I was a young man.
So a long time
A
ago,
long
of
time
course.
ago. So I had to study again. Rosella helped me during the driving time, and so forgive me. I promise you now. I shut up. I don't say anything because I don't want Rosella to die because she's suffering the cold. Now we have to go down because it's very, very cold now.
Yeah.
In the meantime, I want to say something. We are on the top of a
this is
tower.
important.
This is so important. I'm afraid we will lose the connection, the internet connection, because they are very, very big walls. So we are afraid. If we lose you guys, don't worry. We will be back
Yes.
in 1 minute.
Yes.
But now we try.
How many steps, Gianca?
It was about
90?
90 steps.
Oh, let's go.
Not for you guys. I climbed each step and with my tongue
Me too.
like a dog. Okay, we try.
Let's go.
We try to go down. Aspetta che switcho. Ok,
Amoninni.
are you ready?
Yes. A scendere tutti i santi aiutano.
Aspetta che faccio un'ultima immagine qui.
Guarda
The
che
last,
belle
the last
illuminate.
video.
The sunset.
The sun
Bye bye.
above Edna. Aspetta, dove sei? Facciamo vedere che scendi, piano, slow. Wow.
Sun. Don't fall down, Gianca.
Siamo pronti?
Yes, I'm already.
Guys, are you ready to go down with us? Wow. Magari mi aspetti un po',
Sì.
così ti fai vedere.
Sì,
Wait for
aspetta.
me, Rosella.
I have to turn on the light of the microphone, on
Oh.
the mobile phone, please. Wait for me. Okay.
Ci sono i fantasmi. We can hear the ghost. Some noise.
Can you see me, Gianca?
The door is opening and closing right now, so perhaps some ghosts are here. Aspetta che faccio vedere pure qui. Eccoci qua, here we are again. We lost you for a while, for a second.
Oh.
So this is the courtyard. This is the center, the heart of the castle. As you can see, is completely fortified. Of course, this is what remains. The Pisa Tower, the tower where we were few seconds ago,
So imagine-
it is the best preserved.
Imagine when we went up. And we forgot to say that Enna was also named Inexpugnabilis.
Ah, yeah, this is so important. Thank you, Rosella. Thank you, Rosella, for reminding me this important feature. So, Enna was named in Latin during the Roman age, was named Urbs Inexpugnabilis. It means it's impossible to conquer this town. I think many people try to conquer Enna, but as you can see, we are not on the top of a mountain, and it's so difficult. Just like the castle in Caccamo. If
Yeah.
you've been following us, you know that also the castle in Caccamo has a very, very strategic position, and it's so difficult to climb the mountain, enter the castle. Also Enna, but I think Enna, it's even better because it's. Oh, look at this is the flag of the castle. Also, I think this is one of the ancient flags of Enna. So that
With
is
this light so
the tower where we were before.
beautiful.
Dove vogliamo andare? Andiamo al Viale Alberato?
Ah, io direi di proseguire di là.
Usciamo di lì?
Sì, Amoninni, come
Aspetta,
la macchina.
facciamo vedere questo bellissimo Viale Alberato. So this is the other part of the castle. so big, so huge. We should go there to have the view of Pergusa. Would you like to run? Dai, su, una volta sola si vive. You can live once. Guys, we are running.
We are crazy, no
We are-
doubt.
We are super crazy. Craig, dai, run.
Ma non si può attraversare poi.
Ah, si può. Vietato l'accesso. Oh, they say it's
Vietato.
forbidden.
Ah,
It's forbidden.
forbidden.
Also for us?
Yeah,
Also for the Sicily lovers?
yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah. Try to make
I
this
wanna display the view.
What they have to think about us? We respect the rules, Gianca.
So just because we are live, you have to know this. If we weren't live, I would do it, or I would have done it. I don't know which is more correct.
So
You know what I mean. I don't respect rules, but perhaps some people in Enna are watching us, so they can call the police right now.
and close our channel.
No, I would like to show the view from that point, but
From the tower was more or less the same. Yeah. Now I think we can take the car and reach the heart of the historic center.
sure.
To see the mother church, and we know and we saw that in Enna there are so many churches. So
It's so difficult for you to know where your ancestors have been baptized, where they got married, and so you can try, you can guess, because there are many churches.
and tonight we will come back again, guys, because we have to do so many things. Ciao Castello!
We are alone. Also the guys from the ticket office went home. Nobody's here yet. Allora, mi leggo qualche commento intanto, vediamo che scrivono gli amici nostri. Paola I Raggi. Mischina Rosella muore Rufito.
Stai morendo perché mi scudai un cappello di Daniela, capite? If I had my beanie, crochet beanie and my scarf, this was
Your scarf.
my scarf, that's the problem. but I have to say that I have my beautiful crochet earrings handmade by Daniela, and this is the new collection. So in few days we are going to upload also these beautiful earrings.
So you feel cold, even
Yes.
if it's cold, so you feel hot. Thanks to the
Thanks,
earrings.
of course.
Thanks to the earrings.
Wow,
Allora.
other beautiful view. Look at that, Gianca, this point is so beautiful.
Cerchiamo di un cadere, per cortesia. Don't fall, that I need you.
Salve, buonasera. Lei è di Enna? È di Enna.
Niente, la stessare, avanti cristiani. Rosella
Every time.
She's vicious. She has always to disturb people. Buonasera, buonasera, lei è di Enna. Ora, tu cristiano, ma che cosa c'ha a dire? Sì, io sono di Enna, ma che domanda cristiani? She always asks people, are you from here? Forgive Rosella, forgive me. I'm of course joking.
So our car is completely out of order.
Fammi vedere un attimo qua. Vuoi entrare tu?
Sì, così intanto.
I love that village. Again, this is Cala Scibetta. It's a sort of twin for Enna. Because if you come from Catania, you drive the highway, you can see both Cala Scibetta and Enna on the top of their mountains. And they seem just like sisters, just like twins.
Do you want to drive?
Sì, grazie. I drive for
Gianca is scared about me when I drive.
you. Give me the keys, please. Come on.
Ah,
Ora mettiamo l'aria calda.
mia, tu l'aria calda.
We turn the heater now. We turn the heater on.
Mi stanno carendo in mano, mi stanno carendo.
Fa freddo, c'è freddo. It's very cold. Mettiti la cintura.
Yes.
Ah.
Even if we have to go down, to get off also.
Faccio abilire il ca. Quanto lo vuoi messo?
30.
Guys, guess Rosella's side. Which is the temperature for Rosella?
The maximum for me. Oh, okay, 32.
Too much.
32,
Not
yes.
for me, not for me. Not for me. For me it's too much. Tieni, divertiti. Enjoy.
So now we
Chi
are
senti cavolo senti?
Anqua 34.
Vai inquadra.
Vai piano perché si perde la connessione. So slowly because otherwise the internet connection goes down.
I try to drive very slowly.
This is a beautiful panoramic
Sì, ma
view.
inquadra davanti che chi se ne ci viene un mal di mare.
What do you think about Enna, guys? Write in the comments. Let us know your feedback about this town. From Enna, you can reach important places here in Sicily.
Places,
yes,
such as
Piazza Armerina,
Oh,
with the beautiful mosaics.
So you mean the Roman Villa del Casale?
Yeah.
It's one of the must-see locations in Sicily. If you are archaeology enthusiast, you should visit the Roman Villa. There are long corridors, rooms, full of mosaics, Roman mosaics. In particular, I prefer. My favorite is the girls in bikini.
The first woman in bikini.
Women. They are four women.
You are right.
And also Morgantina. Morgantina is another important archaeological site. That is where they found an important statue of Demetra. Demetra with the torch in her hand. Questo cos'è? Come si chiama questa piazza? È il municipio?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Ah, questo è il commissariato di polizia. This is the police station and this is the Camera di Commercio, a sort of administration location, business administration location.
So if you miss the beginning of this live broadcast, we are driving through Enna, the city, the small town in the middle of Sicily.
Yeah. It is one of the. It is for sure. It is the smallest capital of province in Sicily. Only 25,000 people live here, but is the highest capital of province in Italy. We are in the top of a mountain, about 2,700 feet, 900 meters.
Facciamo poi via Roma?
Qua ti dovresti fermare un po', secondo me, fare vedere un po' la chiesa.
Da qui, questa
sì,
qui.
Sì, sì, sì. Io mi fermo un attimo perché ho le macchine.
Sì, faccio vedere questa di destra.
E anche questo palazzo dovresti fare vedere. We had to stop for a while because it's important to show also the squares sometime.
This is the San Francesco Church.
Va bene. Vogliamo proseguire?
Io farei via Roma per fare il giro per arrivare a Piazza Duomo. Che ne
Okay.
pensi?
Now we are going to drive on Via Roma, the main square, the main street in the historic area of Enna. Tieni, Rosella, that's for you.
Ok.
Metto la cintura.
La cintura che ci sono i vigili che hanno italiani.
La cintura si mette a prescindere, no? Perché ci sono i vigili. Rosella è proprio veramente. She's so bad. She said, I'm wearing the sitting belt
Because of the police are
because of
watching
the
us.
police, not because of the safe measure, because of the police.
I'm joking, they know, Gianca. This is Sicilian style.
So we turn now on the left and we start our, this is not a walking tour, but a driving tour in Via Roma. Via Roma is the most important road in Enna. It's so steep and so it's so cold and so we drive. We don't go walking on feet, we drive. Allora, only 25,000 people live here, but as you can see, it's so quiet. Did you show the tower over
Yes,
there?
yes, I did.
Okay. The bell tower of that church. Which is the name of the church?
San Francesco d'Assisi.
So, first we saw San Francesco Church. Now, there are a couple of other churches, Santa Chiara and San Giuseppe, I think. If I'm not wrong. This is another church. Fermati un po'.
La chiesa di San Marco.
Scendi un po'. Te lo tengo io. Magari ti fai un pezzo di strada
Sì,
fino a là.
forse è meglio, dai, ci
Tieni.
vediamo lì.
Sì.
So this is the San Marco Church, and as Gianca told you, this is Via Roma, and I think it's very elegant. It's full of shops, so you can also enjoy shopping here in Enna. Some shops already set up the Christmas
Rosella.
lights. Like this one.
Attraversa, Rosella, attraversa, è meglio.
I'm looking for some old people from Enna to ask him or her the way to say hello. Not this one. I don't like this one. I would like to find another one. A funny man. Oh, that's the municipio. The city hall.
Il municipio.
Yes. And it's also the theater Garibaldi Theater. So in Sicily is a quarter to 5 p.m.
È giusto l'orario, sì.
È giusto?
Sì. Le 5 meno 10.
Le 5 meno 10. Chi fa Zacchiano?
16, no, sorry, 4:50 p.m.
Yeah.
16:50 is the Italian
Oh,
way.
a dog in the middle of the street. Salgo?
Sali, sali
I'm
con me.
going to get on. Be careful because there is a dog in the middle of the street.
Andiamo?
I'm un inni. I macconi fanno passare. No one give you the possibility to cross the street, Gianca.
No. I wanna be calm. I wanna drive relaxed.
Mo sai
Not
così?
like in Palermo. In Palermo it's a mess, so I don't wanna drive like in Palermo. I wanna be calm. Don't film me. Film Enna. Oh, there is another
Yes,
church.
stop.
I had to stop again. One church every 10 meters. So that is San Giuseppe. Yeah.
Yes, this is San Giuseppe, so let's get off. È lontano.
Guys,
Gianca is crazy.
I said
He-
to Rosella,
he
why? Why don't you go
He
on
asked me,
feet?
go on feet.
Go. No, I'm lazy. It's far. That's what she said. No, this is a beautiful road. Film
Yes,
the
stop,
road.
stop there.
I love this palace.
Stop there, and I'm going to film. Yeah, that place. Yes, and
This is the museum.
yeah, and we can see over there if you want.
So that is the palace of the province. I think somebody has to turn, so I have to go. What are you doing, Rosella? Calma, calma. Be calm. That's Santa Chiara, I know.
Yes.
Santa Chiara Church. Write in the comment, guys, if you have an origin in Enna, if you know where your ancestors were married. I'm gonna park right now. This is another important church. It's a tiny church, but so nice. And then switch on the statue. Switch on Napoleone Colajanni, that was a patriot. Behind you.
Ciao! Amo Ninni. Ciao,
Guys, I hope you appreciate our effort. We are not from Enna, we have a very little knowledge of Enna, but we try to just display the most we can. And sorry, because we are driving. Usually we walk. Our tours of Sicily are walking tours of Sicily, but
But don't worry if you are lazy.
no, we have to confess the most important thing.
No, it's a long distance. It's
No,
not
no,
so...
out of the joke, not because of the distance, because we have a computer,
Yeah.
we have a professional camera with us, so Enna is very quiet. I don't think there are, how do you say, people who can rob you, but you never know. And so in our computer there is all our life. We can take the risk to be robbed, to leave the computer in the car and walk, and then have a bad surprise. This is another church. No, this is the Duomo.
Duomo.
Finally, we are in the Duomo, in the
Yeah.
cathedral. Okay, now I get off with you, Rosella. Be careful when you go out.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Che cavolo! Che caldo! It's so hot!
it's not true.
So hot, so hot!
It's not true.
Ah,
Ma sai che si è saporito questa coppola? Ti sta buona.
I'm a perfect Sicilian with this Coppola hat.
Winter coppola.
I have a question for you guys. Do you call it beanie or hat? I don't know. I know the difference, but I think we are in the middle between a beanie and a hat. What do you say?
A good question. I think coppola hat. But please, give your help.
We are very sorry that the dome, the cathedral is closed right now. We are coming from Giarre, so we are late. I can only say something about what you can find inside the church. For those who have visited Palermo and have visited, for example, the Church of Santa Caterina, the Church of the Jesus, or where else? The most beautiful churches in Palermo, Baroque churches. Perhaps someone heard the name Gaggini. Gaggini was the master of the plaster, you know? Is correct? Plaster? So not marble, plaster. Plaster statues. Gaggini, Antonello Gaggini, was, and also his father and his brother, his cousin, they were a family of genius. They made masterpieces in plaster. If you go in, if you visit the cathedral in Enna, you will see wonderful statues by plaster, not by marble, by Gaggini. Giandomenico in this case. I
Yes.
don't want to be
Yeah.
wrong. Not Antonello. Antonello in Palermo. Giandomenico Gaggini.
And we have to say that this church was built nel 300.
Yeah, this is a very old church, not a Baroque church. Even before the Baroque period, you know, Baroque period is the 1500, 1600, 1700. This is from the 1300. Of course, it was rebuilt many times in the history, in its history, but
And
It's
it's
so
very
beautiful.
famous for the big bell.
yeah, you're right, Rosella. It boasts one of the biggest bells in Sicily. A campana, din don dan, din don dan.
Wait for me. Again, din don dan.
Din don dan, la campana. Come San Martino, campanaro, suoni tu, suona le campane. This is a very, very funny song I remember from my childhood. San Martino, Saint Martin,
Oh,
oh guys, sign of destiny.
visitazione. Visitazione.
Ah, yeah. You're right, Rosella. You have a good memory. This cathedral is dedicated to the Virgin of Visitazione. But don't ask me
The meaning.
the meaning. Visitazione, I'm not so...
It's getting dark.
It's getting dark, so please don't ask me. I only know that is dedicated to the Virgin, to the Madonna of Visitazione. Perhaps something to do with the announcement by the angel when the Virgin Mary was pregnant.
Maybe.
Maybe, but not sure.
E allora?
Che facciamo? Salutiamo?
Noi ci avevamo a tornare pure un Palermo.
Ma andiamo alla Belvedere un'altra volta e salutiamo da là?
Ma a fare un giro?
Tanto sempre di là
Alla
dobbiamo
ricca e
tornare.
facciamo un giro?
Sì.
Ah, buoni,
we
buoni.
are planning our way back to Palermo and we said we wanna say hello to our friends from the viewpoint again. Ok?
Ok, let's go.
Tieni un microfono, tieni l'apparecchio. my grandpa said l'apparecchio, you know, the airplane. Sorry, Rosella, I can't help you.
I'm a strong woman. I don't need your help.
L'apparecchio. Did your ancestors say l'apparecchio when of course, they meant the airplane? Piglio l'apparecchio, pigliare a Roma. I take the airplane to go Rome. This is what my grandfather said. Pigliai l'apparecchio. And our gimbal reminds me an apparecchio, an airplane. It's a very complicated device. Did you turn on the light, Rosella? Why?
I didn't.
You did.
It happened. But maybe it's okay because it's getting darker, so it's okay. Also, this street is a cobblestone.
Yeah, because we are walking, we are driving through the historic center of Enna. Another church, San Francesco di Paola Church. Oh, look at the beautiful narrow street over there. Sorry guys, I have to go because I have a car behind us.
So Enna is not so small.
No. And we are in the, I just say, upper part of Enna.
Ah, we forgot to say that Enna is divided into parts. Enna Alta and Enna Bassa. It means
Upper part and lower part.
and lower. Yeah. The Italian flag.
And this is again the castle of Lombardia.
We started our tour from this point.
So I try to park again now.
Like a loop.
Yeah, we made a loop, a ring. Oh, now it's beautiful. Look at
Oh, over
Kalashibeta
there.
now. I stop.
Yeah.
In
Let's
a,
stop.
I stop in a few
There,
meters.
there.
Okay.
I found the park for you, Gianca. Every time you are very lucky with me. And also, Anna, I forgot to say that it's beautiful during the Easter time.
So beautiful.
This is?
So authentic. This is Kalashibeta. That is Kalashibeta.
Yes.
We are in Enna and we are watching Kalashibeta.
We also have to go there one day.
Yeah, we have to go. And again, this is the castle. And now it's time to say hello. Not bye-bye. I don't like to say bye-bye. I say hello. Would you like to read something?
Yeah. I have to wear your glasses. It's for me.
Let's read some comments. Oh, no, too much.
No, let's start from the
From the last one. Paola,
So-
bel panorama.
Ciao Paola, ciao Conny.
Conny Sinicropi.
Tom.
Donna Naples. So cold, yeah, it's so cold.
Sherry.
Ciao, Sherry. Good
Ciao,
morning.
ciao. Ray Bazzano.
Tom, I hope you appreciate all the stories we told you. Again, forgive us because we have a very little knowledge about Enna. We live in the other side of Sicily. Enna, it's out of the joke, frankly speaking, is not a touristic place. So it's very difficult. We visit Enna during our tours of Sicily, but
It deserves a visit. We can say that
Enna
Enna
is so
deserves
nice.
a visit.
there are many beautiful locations such as Enna in Sicily that deserve a visit. But you know, a tour of Sicily usually lasts 7-10 days, 2 weeks, so it's difficult to include all. And sometimes we have to decide. But in this case, we had an important reason why to be here. Tom is the reason.
Yeah.
Tom, Jill, and Victor are the reason. Guys, we really hope you feel better very soon.
Stay strong.
Stay strong,
Stay positive.
hang in there.
Never give up, guys. Never.
It's a car accident, but you have all our love. I don't mean only Rosella and my love. I mean the Sicily lover community love. So this is the most important thing, and we pray for you. Our thoughts are for you, full of joy, full of happiness, full of positive vibes. So we really hope you will feel better very soon.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we are going back to Palermo. We are getting home.
Yes, because we have to ship all the Sicily lovers orders. We have to manage an event. We have a surprise. We will
In a few
go-
days, you can imagine.
Yes.
You can expect.
We only can say
I-
that.
no,
we-
no, 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 no,
we
no, no,
will
no,
go
silent,
live
silent,
from
silent.
another.
No, nothing.
Nothing.
Guys, bet where we are in a few days. I'm pretty sure you can't say the solution, the right answer.
So the Sicily lovers.
I
order.
only say that we will
The
go
event.
in a place that.
Also,
No, I
if
can.
say-
I can give some clues.
No,
I don't want
it's
to
so-
say.
it's too
I don't want to say.
Easy.
It's so easy.
It's so easy if you.
We are
if
so
you give
similar.
them-
We are so similar. But you may ask, we are so similar with what? And I don't want to say what. So we are talking about an important parallel between. No, if I say that word, they know.
Keep the secret.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
It's one of our favorite locations
In Italy.
in Italy. So you're talking. So we are going out of Sicily.
Yes.
We can say now.
We can say this.
We can say now.
Out of Sicily.
Not
But
a vacation.
No.
It's not Gianca and Rosella's
to
vacation.
plan an event, an incentive trip.
An incentive trip for a corporate
Company,
for a
company.
company, and we decided to go in another beautiful Italian location. Not because we don't love Sicily, not because our client don't love Sicily, but because they
Already?
were in Sicily. They already spent a meeting, an incentive meeting here in Sicily, a reward trip in Sicily, and we had to decide where to go. And we said, what about? And now I stop talking. You will see something beautiful in a few days.
And then we have to upload the new crochet items.
Yeah.
And so be ready.
We have to upload the crochet items. We have to upload some other
Pictures.
photos and artwork from the Nucifora family in Jarre. So we are talking about the jewelry collection, the new collection, coral, lava stones. We have pearls, Baroque pearls from Sicily. So beautiful, beautiful creations, just like for you. You can find everything on SiciliLover.com. We are now so super happy because we have now
More?
818 different items, and they are growing up more and more.
Be ready and enjoy your shopping.
I have to say grow, not growing up,
Grow.
because my teacher Frank Ragusa will correct me. So our items are growing.
Yes.
Children grow up.
Yeah.
Items don't grow up, they grow.
They grow.
Is it right, Frank? Giusto è? Perché io non so che dico. Io ascolto a tia e mi fido di tia. Poi se tu mi dici minchiate, io non so.
Guys, we love you and see you in the next days. And what else? We love you.
Keep the secret.
A big hug to Tom, Victor,
And Jill.
and all the other Sicily lovers. Keep smiling. We love you. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!